So yeah, it's October 27th. Been here for a few hours, got a few fish. Had SD troubles, so this might be the start of the new video. But anyways, I got 6 tip-ups set up. Got a camera running into this first one that I can see from inside the trailer. And sun's getting ready to set, and we're hopefully gonna get into some fish. So hopefully we'll have a good night. Just caught a nice rainbow on my jaw jacker over there. And then they've been hitting the last tip up for little walleye. So it's kind of cool. I got my camera set up on my first tip up. You can barely see the minnow down there. Just got it running out the door there, the wire, to that first tip up. I should have it on the farthest tip up, but obviously can't do that this early in the season. Ooh, yeah, she's spinning. Hopefully we'll get one, guys. Keep tension on, Joe. There we go. Not a bad eye. Hey. Don't you know we're making movies? There we go. So not too bad. We'll get that wound up and get it rebaited. So he took a pretty good sized minnow, and we'll replace it with another good sized minnow, because he pretty much killed that one. Okay. This is really shallow here, so we'll go as shallow as possible. All set and ready to go for the next one. So we got 2 flags that popped, I believe. 1, 2, yep. I don't see that one spinning, so we'll go to the next one. And I don't see that one spinning. Oh, yes it goes. Okay. There we go. It's a nice walleye. Okay, just got these little circle hooks. They just kind of fall right out. Boy, they sure flare their gills. Nice. Thanks, little buddy. You know, that minnow's still pretty good shape. So we'll slip the hook back through him. Give him another shot. That's not a bad sized minnow either. Little bit of a moon tonight, about 3/4 of a moon. Beautiful night. Thanks for coming along. Okay. Some minnows there. Watching the cowboy movies on TV. Eating chips and drinking root beer and having pizza. So, we'll get my phone here. And we will, boom, got to dismiss all these. Okay, so the blue tips is scanning. Good deal. So, I'm just talking to the wife on the phone and told her I got a fish, I gotta go. So let's go check it out. Tip up number 4. Got a little spin to it. Ha ha ha. Got a little spin to it. I'm gonna get a little bit more aggressive with this one. There we go. All right. About all the same size, but that's okay. They're not huge. Whew, felt your teeth, bud. I felt your teeth. Alright. Yeah, he just spit the minnow. I'm just gonna cut this one. And that should just rust off in his gut. And I will go tie on a new hook now. So I just tied another little circle hook on there. Unfortunately, I only had some smaller ones, but it should still work. We'll go put a minnow on. Okay, boys and girls. Another notch. Well, my GoPro had a bad night, so I'm gonna probably just take pictures of the rest of the fish I catch tonight. Oh boy. Suckers smell like crazy. Oh my goodness. Ooh, not a bad little fish. Good deal. So maybe maybe this camera will work. I just took the battery out. I think my battery's shot, and I've just got it hardwired into a bigger battery. So we'll see what happens. Ah, shoot! Just snapped one off. Darn it! Missed him. It was a heavy bugger too. Yeah, we got another flag up. It's the farthest one again. That one had a knot in it last time, and the knot caused me some trouble. So I took it in the shop or in the trailer and redid everything. She's a turning, boys and girls. At least I thought I heard it turning or saw it turning. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Nice fish. If I can keep him on. There you go. Probably the nicest fish of the night. Good deal. Hey, open up, say oh. Anyhow, not bad. Well, it's 2:30 in the morning, and I got some flags up. Yeah, I got a tug on the other end of the line. I mean, he about spooled me. My bad. Boy, he's a healthy fish. I mean, a healthy fish. He's taking line. Holy crap. If that's a walleye, that's a huge walleye. Oh my gosh. Well, there you go, guys. That's trophy. Wow. Oh man. That's a trophy walleye. Wow. Unreal. Unreal. Holy criminy. Wow. So I'm gonna pull all my lines and call it a night and say, wow. Wow, wow, wow. That was a 31-inch fish. So, jeez, that's pretty good sized fish for this lake. I'd say my personal best on this lake was 27. But, and I've heard of 30s. That was an easy 31. So, wow. Beautiful night. So I'm gonna get things pulled in and get back to bed, and we'll call it a night. What a trip. So that was a nice fish. Those other two lines were just dummy lines. There were still minnows on them. So I just reeled them back in. Still got 3 lines in the water. And so I'm just going to go back to bed. And boy, you think about all the things that goes into getting a fish like that, and it's just unreal. Of course, I caught a big fish tonight. My camera was giving me fits. That happened last time I got a big lake trout. My stupid camera went out on me and missed half of the catch. But should have known something was going to happen crazy like that tonight. I actually thought about wrapping it up and heading home earlier, but wow, it's just fun to think back on all the things that led into you getting into that big fish. There's just so many puzzle pieces that have to go together. I mean, by all rights, that was the tip up that kept going off, and I could have just said to heck with it and not fished it anymore, because you know, a guy's got to sleep a little bit once in a while. But the fact that we caught it on that tip up's pretty special. I caught him on minnows that my little nephew and I went and trapped on the river. That was a chore all in itself, getting those minnows. My minnow tank, this winter weather came so early, my minnow tank was frozen. Had to chip it out and get my minnows, and I don't know, it was just kind of cool to catch them on minnows that we trapped. And so good job, Aiden. Thanks for your help, buddy. And so I got 3 lines left in the water, and I'm gonna go back to bed if I can, and we'll just keep on fishing. So, wow, pretty special. So we'll leave it at that. So it's the next day. Feel like crap, looked like crap. But, so now is when I get picked up and we'll get out of here. It's supposed to be in the 50s in a couple of days here. So I don't know, this ice should hold up, but we'll see. I won't be on it. I think we caught the window just right. You could probably fish it tonight and maybe tomorrow, but we did good. We did good. So we'll pick up all this mess and get out of here. I still can't believe how big that fish was. I've heard of 30 inchers coming out of here. Didn't believe it. But I said 31 last night, and he could have been 32 if you want to talk like a fisherman. He's a big old fish. So definitely a trophy for this place.